This is perfect. Good morning everyone, welcome to day 570 in my BMW M140i. Today is my first proper drive of this thing in just about 2 months. I say proper drive, it's not my first drive. I have driven it a couple of times during the lockdown. Once was a 1 mile round trip to my GP and back, so that didn't really count. And the other time was a few days ago. I had a warning message about the battery charge being low, and my car told me to get out there and drive it for an extended period of time. So I did. I went out and did about 10 miles, but all very sedate, just focused on, getting the battery back into a good place. So that didn't really count either. And besides, I've been saving myself for today, for this morning. This is going to be a proper drive. 1 week ago today, Boris Johnson changed the rules, and he said that we were allowed to drive an unlimited distance to a destination we're fond of. Now, the destination I'm fond of that I'm going was a right turn at that mini roundabout that I just went across there, and it's 7 miles that way. But I'm not going straight there. He did say unlimited distance. So I've got a nice 69-mile cross-country route, taking the long way. I've really been looking forward to this. I really want to enjoy it. So my alarm went off this morning at 4:30. I should have some nice empty roads. The sun's just on its way up. It's going to be an epic drive. Now, just in case there's any doubt, this is what I'm all about. I've said before, but I don't really care for cars. Don't really care for mods either, and I'm certainly not going to go and mod my car for the kudos or for the views or subscribers it might bring to my channel. I'm really not interested. For me, it's all about driving. I love driving. Just the pure, simple act of driving and being at one with the car. For now, that's enough words from me. I'm going to get my head down and enjoy this route that I've been planning, I've been dreaming of for the last couple of months. This thing does not need more power. Perfect blend.